right now. Frames are looking good, no drop frames. Excellent. Alright, y'all ready for some LeetCode, man? I feel real close to Guardian. I feel like it could happen. Man, I suppose if I have like a crazy weekend because there's a double contest, it could happen. I'd have to get like top 1K both times, maybe. I think, well, that would put me really close. I don't know what Guardian racing is these days, but it used to be around 2180 or so. It might be around the same, maybe a bit lower. Asia C Mac, what's happening? How are you doing? Oh, I'm on new highest rating I've ever been on LeetCode. So almost at Guardian. Anyways, is it time to just get started? What's this new camera angle? This is that's the camera angle I use when I'm taking a contest usually. I'm trying it out for like when I stream. Like before I stream, like my waiting room, you know. Anyways, the timer is up though, so let us go to LeetCode and do the daily problem. Wait, did I forget to do anything? I forgot to bring out my YouTube chat and my Twitch chat. All right. What is that, man? Get out of here. All right, you all ready? Daily problem. I actually did the daily problem, yesterday's daily problem. I had a lot of trouble with it, but I was able to get it to pass eventually. I don't think they wanted me to solve it the way I did, but, oh snap. Pat's Hello World. What's happening? Oh, I don't have my notifications on. Oops. Because I got follow bombed yesterday. Alright, what's... Dang. Type Racer? AKSR wants to do a little Type Racer. Follow bombed. Yeah, yesterday, you know, when they just send 1,000 follows to your account for some reason, and it just non-stop notifications. So I had to turn off the overlay stuff. Free followers? No, I don't want any followers, man. I don't want any dang robot followers inflating my title, you know. Carrick V2, is that your real hair? No, man, I wear a wig every day. Nah, it's my real hair. It's as real as it gets. It's an old hair. Alright. Deagle TG, what's happening? And Mummy, welcome to the party. And what's happening, Pat? How'd your stream go? I don't even know what's going on these days. The real Raymond Jones is in the house. What's happening, Raymond Jones? Copy pasta. Come on, man. You gotta stop with the copy pasta stuff. But, you know, Pat is curator of games. Bomb. Oh man, I watch you play that bomb game sometimes. Sometimes, anytime I try and join, it's always too late. But I'm not good with those word games. Dang, Pat got the COVID. Dang, sorry to hear that, Pat. I'm actually sick. I took a sick day today at work because I woke up like with a fever. Last night I had like a sore throat. Today I'm feeling like not great, but I'm here. Theld of Allen, what's happening? Thank you very much for the raid. Man, we got 2 raids early on in the stream. But first we gotta do type racer. Y'all ready for the type racer? Dang, I wonder if I got COVID, man. Do people still take COVID tests, or if you're sick, nobody really cares what type of sick you are these days? You just carry on with your life, you know? Nothing like some LeetCode to get your health back. Yeah, it's all right for that reason. Type racer, should we do a little bet? What type of bet should we do? Maybe, should I race no condom Chris? All right, let's do it. Oh wait, my bad. Me versus Pat straight up. That's a good one. Let me delete this bet. All right, here we go. Me versus Pat's Hello World. Wait, is Pat here? Pat, you gotta confirm if you want to race or not. Two sick people, yeah. Brent, what's happening? Man, did Pat just dip? He left us hanging. Oh, he's here to race, man. Pat, it's going down. We're gonna have 2 minutes to decide who's gonna win this championship round between me and Pat. Not like full absolute winner. So is it gonna be me, Midnight Simon, or is it gonna be him, Pat's Hello World? You gotta put your money down, and Pat, you gotta put some money. 400 bucks. Come on now. The first race we're gonna do is the warm-up round. Second race is the championship round. You're broke, man. 400 bucks. Anyways, dang, AKSR with the 2910. Big money. All right, you ready? Here we are. Warm-up round and then championship round. All you people on YouTube, you want a type race? I just sent the link. And then maybe I should send it in the Twitch chat. I mean the Discord. Type racer. All right, y'all ready, man? Warm-up only. So, where's Pat's right here? We got Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris. And let's start the warm-up round. I'm trying to hit triple digits at least. Wait, I didn't even put the type racer cam on, man. What kind of joke is this? All right. What was that? Passage, man. Dang, 110, Six Pack Sexy. Where's Pat at? 68, man. Pat's sandbagging in the warm-up round. Pat is not a 68 WPMs typer, man. Don't believe that. Where's the bet? Where the hell did the bet go? Let me see. Dang, we got everybody on Pat's Hello World. COVID fingers? Nah, I don't believe that. Let's go, man. This is the championship round. Oh, Pixel Pusher is in the house. It's over for all of us, man. All right, here we go, man. Championship race. Oh, lordy. 1990. Oh, but I got 6th place. Pat got 7th place. So it looks like doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile, man. Winning's winning. Easy work, man. That was easy. Nah, there's no rematches until the next type racer. We did too many type racers last stream. Man, give me your pink slip, Pat. Winning's winning, AKSR. Have you never seen Fast and the Furious? Too soon, Junior. You hit that NOS too soon. Dang, look at that. 5,000 bucks on a $700 bet. Easy money. Anyways, it's time to do LeetCode. Dang, is this the daily problem? My calendar? Oh man. Let's see. Show those gains. So yeah, I talked about this a little bit earlier. New all-time high for my rating after they stole my all-time high from last week. I took it back from them, man. They tried to tell me I wasn't ready for an all-time high, and they cheated me out of like the same elo that I was gonna get today. But I dropped back down to 2039 last week, and then I hit them with the 2097. So close to Guardian. I think Guardian is at 2180 or 21 something like that. So I still need like 80 more points or so. But it's possible now, especially that I've been tackling harder problems. Like I just did my first string hashing thing a couple weeks ago. I think tries are easy to me now. Not easy, but I'm very comfortable coding them up. I think segment trees I still have to use, but I'm getting more and more familiar with them. And yeah, that's about it. I think those topics. Oh, digit DPs in my playbook now. And with those topics, I think I can make the push to Guardian. Why code a try when you can use a template? I want to get as many gains as I can without using templates, because I feel once, you know, templates are easy elo gains to increase my speed. But right now I need to focus on solving all four. Once I can solve all four consistently, I hit them with the templates and then boom, another 100 points elo gains. But I use templates for segment trees. Enrosis is in the house. What's happening, Enrosis? I use templates for certain things, but I don't think tries needs a template. I think it's short enough where I can just type it. All right, daily problem. How's it going at work, Enrosis? Are you liking that RTO stuff? I think it's maybe not so much a problem for you. It sounds like you probably just walk across the street to go to work or something, right? All right, my calendar 1. You are implementing a program to use as your calendar. We can add a new event if adding the event will not cause a double booking. A double booking happens when two events have some non-empty intersection. Some moment is common to both events. The event can be represented as a pair of integers, start and end, that represents a booking on the half open end. The range of real numbers x such that start less than equal to x less than n, right? Implement the myCalendar class. myCalendar initializes the object, and book start end returns true if the event can be added to the calendar successfully without causing a double booking. Otherwise, return false and do not add the event to the calendar. I don't care too much about RTO. 20 minutes away on the metro. Work is tiring, dang. Prime Day is coming up. Oh lordy. Prime Day. Man, I missed out on the last Prime Day. I should have bought more things, man. When is the new Prime Day coming up? Prime day. October 8th. How many prime days are there a year, man? There's like 3 prime days. Is it a line sweep problem? Is it? I didn't even get that far, Pixel Pusher. Give me a second to think about the problem. So let us take a look here. So I have these intervals. Initially it's empty. Then we can add 10, 20. How are we gonna do that, man? How many events do we have? Only 100, only 1,000 calls, so man, if it's only 1,000 calls, I can just n square that if I have my events sorted somehow. Wait, let me think about that. Yo, they call me Alex. What's happened? How's it going? It's going all right, man. It's been quite a while. Yeah, I don't think I've seen that name in a while, for sure. All right, how the hell, since only 1,000 calls will be made, it sounds like we can just, well, how can I insert? Let me think. I don't know yet. Started watching when CM Griffin shifted us over to you, if you can remember that one. It was quite a while ago. I mean, CM Griffin just rated me like 2 days ago. Maybe being sarcastic. I don't know. Man, I actually don't know how to do this problem off the top of my head. But it seems n squared should be okay. So it wasn't 2 days ago, it was more like a few months ago. I see. Well, welcome back, man. All right, 10, 20. So we can return true there, and then 15, 25. Cannot do anything there. So return false. How do I know? So I don't insert that one. And then 20 to 30. So I'm thinking like, I wonder if we can do an insert on these events and also do a, maybe it might still be n squared. So we just have a list of events of pair int, and then we iterate through, and we're looking for the first event that, man, what am I looking for? I'm looking for an event like one that ends before this one ends. So I'm just looking to see. So after this one ends, before, no, it can't be before. What am I thinking, man? One that starts after this one ends. So it starts after. Wait, what did I just say? So I iterate through and I say like 25. Alright, let me look at this one. 20. Yeah. I gotta look at once the end time on the event is less than or equal to the start time on the current event. So I'm gonna just make like something like that, and then alright, so we get a book. I guess I'll do like a linear search. And hopefully this will be in order, right? So I iterate through. And then I say if the event if the event ends before the current one starts, then maybe, right? Hold on, let me think here. Do I just wait? I don't know, I'm struggling with this one, man. So this doesn't necessarily mean we can insert it, does it? We also have to check if the next one starts this is not great code. So if this is already at the end, then for sure we can go. Otherwise, if it's not at the end, then we need to check if events I plus 1, 0 is less than the end. Should be less than or less than equal to. Maybe less, I don't know. How do you insert something? I always have to look this up, man. So inserts, all right. Position is gonna be events.begin plus I, maybe. We're gonna insert starts and we're just gonna return true here. Otherwise, I guess we can just return false. I think. Should I try that? Oh man, dot first. Wait, that's dot second. This is dot first. Man, I hope this is it. It's not. Man, what the hell? False? Oh, well, I see. return true. All right, man. Should I send it? I want to give us one example, man. I only passed one example. All right, so we insert this. Why is this false? Let me think about that. Oh, I see. I see. So maybe we should also check like if the first event starts after the end, I don't think this is a good solution at all, man. I don't feel great. Still, can't even get that. Man, so I hit the 47 to 50, and then I'm checking if 47 is greater than 41. Oh, I don't return anything. About to say. Still wrong. Alright, but at least that one is true now. So true, false, false, true, false. Then 19 to 25. Wait, Rexo, what's happening? Oh man, Rexo is not impressed with what I'm doing. Oh lordy. All right, so this. All right, maybe the end. That one has to be like that. How you doing, Rexo? I don't know, man. I'm gonna blame it on my cold. I'm sick. Should I think about this a little bit more intensely? I had a computational biology exam today. What the hell does that even mean? What kind of biology are you computing in that class? You're like sequencing DNAs or something crazy? I wouldn't be surprised. DP over strings? Alright, let me think about this dang thing. So how am I gonna do it, man? Hepta 5, what's happening? How you doing, Hepta 5? Let me think here about what the hell is going on. I'm not detecting. Should I print my events just for debugging purposes? No, Hepta 5, you the battle, man. Alright, so we got 31, 41. Oh, this is hard to read. Hey, what the hell is this? 3, 8, man. Oh, right there. So I don't hit that 19 to 25. Oh, I see. I think it's like right here. No, oh, well, that got rid of one of them. And then now the second to last one, it's an 8 to 13. Let me see what's happening there. 8. So it ends to 13. I'm saying false, but it should be true. This is not great. Not a good look for me. Trying like debugging statements and my stuff. So which interval was giving me trouble here? It's the 8 to 13 interval. So here I got 8 to 13. 8 to 13 should fit right there. So I'm looking at right here where events.second is less than start. No. Less than equal to start. And then the next one is less. So that seems like it should be right there, man. I should be able to hit that. So it looks at this 8. 8 is less than equal to 8. So then it goes in here. And then it's like 19 is less than equal to end. Oh, that should be greater than. Not less than. Should be greater than or equal to or greater than. I'm not sure. But maybe no, it should work. No. Jesus Christ, man. Alright, I think it must be whatever I just did. Maybe it's just greater than. When iterating over all existing events to see if they're overlapping and be able to n squared. Sorted order without a map would only make it slower. Nemo Mur, what's happening? I'm doing alright. I'm struggling at this problem that shouldn't be too hard. Should I see where I'm messing up here? You don't really need to insert it. I think I do because I'm checking like the next event to see if there's like an interval. Or maybe there's another way. I don't know. I'm clearly not doing great on this problem, man. Should I put back my print statements? I think I have an off by 1 problem right now. Or maybe it's something worse. So let me see how deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 6th one, it's incorrect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 36 to 42. So it should get to this one, and then I dot second is less than start, and the end Wait. Man, that should be right. How come it's not working? Since you can just compare the start and end of each event. I think it means if you're doing n square, you can just loop through every existing interval and just check if it touches any. Oh yeah, that does make sense, man. I don't know where my brain is today. Yeah, sorry I didn't understand what you're saying, but maybe I was thinking like I needed to check, because right now I'm checking if there is a slot that it can fit. But what I should be checking is just if it's touching any. So if it's touching on the begin side or the end side. I see. Maybe I should just do that, because this is getting complicated with all my if statements. But I feel like it should just work. This should work too, you know? It's like, where is it messing up? That's what I'm kind of frustrated about. But maybe I'll just abandon this. If you want to do n log n, it's like what you're doing, but you need a different data structure. Like a map or something. Man, where is my brain today? All right, let me just do it that way. So I iterate through everything. And how do I check if things overlap, man? I need to practice interval problems. This is what this is telling me. Oh shit. So if the starts, if I take the max of the starts, does this work even with open-ended, like half open intervals and the mins? Of the ends, and then if it's negative or something, or if like the end, so if this is less than the start. Oh wait. If the end is greater than the start, oh wait. No, I have to do it the other way. Hold on. Let me think. Because I'm defaulting to true, and then I see if it's touching anyone, then I gotta say it's false. So maybe like that. Or I can just return false, man. How about that? I don't even need. Oh, yeah, I was thinking for sure I was gonna have an off by one, and I was just gonna do trial and error to figure that one out. Oh, man. I didn't even insert the dang thing. Hold up. Alright, thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. But I still can't solve it, man. Is it less than? Uh-oh. Alright, now I'm not, now definitely not sure. So I have a true here when it should be false. So I insert the 10 to 20. So I should get like the max of the starts, so that's 15. Wait. And this one is, alright, something ain't right. Touching means non-empty intersection. Oh, so you're saying this is... I'm confused. I forgot everything about intervals, apparently. So that should be 15, and the end should be... Oh, this means it's empty? I gotta think about that, Brett. Mr. Friend, what's happening? Sure leveled up your stream clarity. Yeah, I got a new camera and a bunch of new everything. I don't think my brain is working properly, man. So 10 to 20 and 15, 25, those overlap for sure. And then if I take the max of the starts, that's gonna be 15 to 20. Oh, that means that is the overlap. 15 to 20 is the overlap. So it should be like, this, yeah, this means it overlaps and we can't. Well, maybe that, no, that should be like, Jesus Christ, man. Not in great shape. A little bit embarrassing, man. Wraith Kaiser, what's happening? This problem tripped me up, man. So Pixel Pusher, what were you saying about how are we gonna do a line sweep on this, man? Like you just iterate through and wait, I'm not gonna look yet. I'm gonna think about it first. I'm thinking maybe we have like some type of map. Steven Sagiball, welcome to the party. Maybe I iterate through my events, and then at the start, I increment, and then at the end, I decrement, but that might be like n plus 1. All right, let me look at these interval things. So it's like the start is there, and yeah, maybe that might be okay then. And then what? I guess maybe that should be a map. So then it sorts the things. And then do I just check? I iterate over my map up until somewhere and then see that it's at 0 or something like that. Or no, I'll just insert into that map. And then that person, what's happening? Should I just be a bum now? No, man. It's been like a couple days. Maybe you gotta just take a break, go enjoy life a little bit, and then get it out your system. Maybe take 2 weeks and get back to it. Just go start trying to find a job or something. A set? Wait, events is a vector? Hold on. Can you game on Proxmox? I don't know, man. I got 10 days to decide if I relocate for a company or leave. Man, you gotta relocate, man. Why wouldn't you relocate? Oh, wait. I know why. Because you don't want to leave where you live right now. That's... yeah, you gotta decide that for yourself. Is this even... I don't know what I'm doing, man. Oh, but hold on. How do you even know? Can I do it like that? I can't do it like that. 10 to 20, and then so I should get I should get a plus 10 or a plus 1 there, and then at 15 I get a plus 1, so it should be at 2 there. Oh, maybe that was my bug. Grayson equal to 2. No, it wasn't. How do I get false when there's nothing? Because right now there's no events. And then I hit them with the... oh, right here. That should be minus, minus. Oh, it's not fast enough, this slow ass stuff. But you insert events each time, so it's gonna be too slow. No events vector need. Oh, so like just keep the map up there instead. All right, let me think. So if we have that, then we don't need to do this stuff. We don't need that. And then we do this. But then if it's greater than 2, then maybe we decrement, we undo. Otherwise, we just return true. Let me try that out. What problem is this? This is a daily problem. My calendar 1. I think I've spent far too much time on it, but it's good for me. All right, there we go again. So thank you very much for suggesting that pixel pusher. Why are the cops always outside my house, man? Because I don't make enough money to not live. near things that go down. Anyways, so that's 2 ways to solve my calendar one. The line sweep version, which I didn't really think about, but I had a feeling we could probably use it just because usually line sweep can solve these types of problems to detect like double bookings or something, or how many rooms, you know. And then I tried some janky stuff in the beginning. I think my brain is just cloudy, man. Can you do any of, man? I don't really know the standard library that well, man. I only code with caveman techniques, you know. My office had the best chicken. what kind of chicken? All right, should I do a virtual contest? They had Moroccan barbecue chicken. Man, that sounds nice. Destructuring isn't caveman. Well, I learned that technique from a non-caveman, but I'm still very much a caveman. Last virtual I did was 405, so I'll do 406 right now. Right here, right now. If anyone wants to do it, here's a link. Send it to YouTube also. Lexicographically smallest string after a swap. Given a string S containing only digits, return the lexicographically smallest string that can be obtained after swapping adjacent digits in S with the same parity, at most once. What the hell? Digits have the same parity if both are odd or both are even. For example, 5 and 9 as well as 2 and 4 have the same parity, while 6 and 9 do not. Adjacent digits. Man, this problem is hard. I hate the way LeetCode problems are phrased. Hold on. So only if... Alright, I guess I can do this, man. So I'm just going to iterate over S, and I'll be like, if they're the same parity, how do I check that? I guess if SI... What's a quick way to check parity, man? I don't know. SI minus 1 and 1. So if those are equal, that means it's the same parity, right? Do I need to put some parentheses here just to be sure? If these are the same parity, then I should just swap them. And then do that, and then unswap them. Right? Let's see. 43520. Yeah, I'm gonna just send that. Easy work. Not as hard as it sounded. You think that's bad? You should see the problem BAs give you. BAs? What is a BAs, man? Delete nodes from linked list present in array. You're given an array of integers, nums, and the head of a linked list. Return the head of the unmodified linked list after removing all nodes from the linked list that have a value that exists in nums. I'm gonna just cheat. It's easy. So list push back that, and then I'll make a unordered set num, what's the values? 10 to the 5th. Unordered set int of nums real list, and then I'm gonna just say, wait, should I just do it like this? If set.find head val so if it's not in the thing, we should push it to our list. And then now, wait, did it say we should modify the list? I don't think they can check that, right? Hold on, I see some chats. I'm just trying to solve this problem real quick, and then I'll read. So now we iterate over the list, and then new list node, and then all right, let me try that out. 45222 1234. 45222 1234. I'm gonna send that. Man, I don't get why they put a linked list problem on the contest, because it's so easy to cheat them by doing this type of stuff. All right, you legit got me addicted to Wingstop? Nah. I only eat plain and Parmesan. What else should I try? You should try lemon pepper. And I also like the hickory smoked barbecue. I mean, original hot is decent too. Wait, let's look at the flavors right now. Sometimes they have like remix flavors. I haven't been to Wingstop in a long time. And I hope you get the bone-in wing, not the boneless wings. The boneless sucks, man. All right, lemon pepper, easily one of the best flavors that has ever existed. I think Wingstop lemon pepper has revolutionized the chicken wing game in the whole world, you know? That's 100% for sure, man. Hold up. Yeah, nothing exists like a Wingstop lemon pepper until Wingstop did it, and then now everybody's about lemon pepper. Wingstop put lemon pepper on the map. Yeah, hickory smoked barbecue, very good. Original hot, I'll get that. Atomic, not that great. This is a new flavor. I've never seen that one, man. Oh, sweet barbecue blaze. We gotta try that one. I also like, sometimes I'll get Hawaiian, man. Very rarely, like once a year I'll get a Hawaiian. Spicy Korean too, I'll get like once a year. This one is okay. Louisiana rub, no, not good. I don't like it. Hot honey rub, not really a fan. What about plain? Plain is good if you like just fried chicken, you know. I like boneless because it feels like ripping the flesh off a chicken carcass. It's easier to eat. Nah. Well, alright, Land of the Leet, are you talking about boneless Wingstop, or are you just talking about boneless wings in general? Because boneless Wingstop is like a 5 out of 10, but regular Wingstop is like a 9 out of 10, you know? Boneless feels like a chicken nugget. Yeah, so some places, the boneless wings, the chicken nugget, it's good, you know? Like, say, Raising Cane's boneless stuff is good. But I'm just saying, at Wingstop, you gotta get the bone in. The classic. Never had regular Wingstop, I'll try it next time. For me, it's 7 out of 10. Boneless is 7 out of 10. I can't rate all boneless wings with one rating, man, because there's some really good boneless things out there. But I think Wingstop own, the breading is too much. The meat to breading ratio is incorrect, I feel. Do you use hand when eating wings or chicken in general? I use my hands when eating Wingstop, but I use a knife and a fork when I'm eating other types of chicken. Mainly because I don't want my greasy fingers touching my keyboard or touching my phone, you know? Wait, I'm in the middle of a virtual contest, man. Y'all talking about Wingstop. Come on now. Minimum cost for cutting cake, part 1. Eating chicken is haram? What? I don't know nothing about haram, nothing, man. There's an M by N cake that needs to be cut into 1 by 1 pieces. You are given M by N and 2 arrays. Horizontal cut of size M-1, where horizontal cut represents the cost to cut along the horizontal line, and vertical cut, where blah blah blah. In one operation, you can choose any piece of cake that is not yet a 1 by 1 square and perform one of the following cuts. Cut a horizontal line or cut a vertical line. After the cut, the piece of cake is divided into 2 distinct pieces. The cost of a cut depends only on the initial cost of the line and does not change. Return the minimum total cost to cut the entire cake into 1 by 1 pieces. I don't know what to do here, but lots of people solved it, and it kind of feels like it should be... Oof. I don't know. With these constraints, maybe like a take it or leave it. 20 by 20, that's 400. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Do your work call when you eat chicken? That is halal. Halal, guy. Man, I have never had halal, guys, but I've had a lot of chicken over rice from food trucks, and there's halal guys close by. Maybe I should try it out tomorrow and report back. I never use hands to eat. I hate my hand touching foods. Yeah, Bobby Blue, I'm mostly the same way, but there are some foods that you just gotta eat with hands. Even though I try to eat everything with utensils, even pizza I'll eat with utensils. When I get my new keyboard, I'm gonna have to eat everything with a knife and a fork. Yeah. You don't like that red sauce Sept 5? Man, the first time I went to my local food truck for chicken over rice, they put like one line, one like horizontal or diagonal line of red sauce. I was like, no man, put another line. So it went whoosh. I was like, no man, come on now, give me some more. And it went, really? And they're like so surprised. And they gave me another line of red sauce. And I think that was way too much, man. That shit burnt me. It was so hard to eat. I had to eat it in like 3 different sessions, and it caused me to cry. But the next time I went back, they all remembered me. And they're like, oh, they don't even speak English, but they're like, oh, love spicy. You love spicy. Like, yeah, I don't think I love it that much, but it was all right. Is best value wings or combo packs? Steven Sagaball, that really depends. because sometimes I don't even get the fries. It depends on like the local Wingstop. Some of them don't do fries good, and some other locations know how to make a nice crispy fry. So if the fries are gonna be trash, I don't even get the combos. And then I don't need a soda or a drink. I only want the wings. So I just get the wings by themselves because I usually get my sodas from work, man. I have a little stash of Coca-Colas in my fridge. Anyways, what DSA topics have you seen the most across your tech interviews? And I haven't really interviewed much. I think other people can probably answer that more than I. Do any of your offices have Sprite? Oh, for sure. We got Sprite, we got Coke, we got Diet Coke, we got Coke Zero, we got caffeine-free Coke, and we got like all the other no sugar drinks. My office is just full of LaCroix. Yeah. Yeah, my office too. I actually started to like them. I used to hate that drink. I would never touch that before I worked at Google. But slowly, you know, because they're free, I can like taste it a little bit every day and just throw away the can, even if I don't like it. I do that like a couple dozen times, and then I slowly like start to acquire the taste for that nasty tasting soda. Just sparkling water, basically. And now I drink it all the time, man. I drink it so much at work. I'm not even gonna lie. They have transformed me. I don't even know who I am anymore, man. Alright, we gotta think about this dang problem. I actually don't know what to do, but everybody solved it, man. So how do we know? What does this mean? Horizontal cut 7. Oh, so the first horizontal cut is gonna cost 7. So I say perform a vertical cut that costs 5. Perform horizontal cut, which costs 1. So it's like maybe we want to do the most expensive cuts first. That's what it looks like to me, man. You do the most expensive cuts first, and then yeah, I think we gotta work our way down somehow. All right, here we go. But man, these constraints got me tripping though. It makes me feel like well, I think I haven't solved it fully yet. You know, from Dallas, not me. How's it like living in New York City? It's great, man. I really enjoy living here. I think one of the best reasons for me is how easy is it to get around the city. I think the vibe is just a lot different than in the Bay. A lot of people are more willing to just go meet up, it feels like, and hang out outside of work, at least with my coworkers. I don't really have friends outside of my coworkers. How do you handle lack of motivation? I turn on my stream, Mad Flash, and I just kind of get motivated. Alright, I gotta think about this, man. So for sure it seems we should be cutting. Maybe I have to like count my vertical cuts. And every vertical cut I have, I need that many horizontal cuts plus one. Yeah. Let me see if I can do that somehow. Oh, but what if there's a tie? So we do the most expensive cut first. I guess if there's a tie, it doesn't. V cuts, horizontal cuts. Vertical. So I'm just going to make a vector of all the cuts. And I'm going to push back. Oops. Vertical cut, vertical cut. And then I'll sort them. And then I'll iterate through and then I'll say if type horizontal, so if it's a horizontal cut, I want to do something, and if it's a vertical cut, I want to do something else. If it's horizontal, then oh, let me keep track of an answer, man. Maybe this would be like points times VC plus 1. Or maybe I can just do VC plus plus and then points times VC. No. It has to be like that. And then I increment my horizontal cuts. And if it's a vertical cut, do that maybe. Let's see. I'm not too sure about this, man. It should be plus equal. Lithium X 4900. What's happening? Which one is this? This I'm doing virtual contest 406. And it's Q3. $19.18. Uh-oh, not good. Why is that? I hit them with the 1. Hit them with the 0. Let me just look at like one of them. Wait, but I'm not even using n by n, man. So something ain't right here. Right? 1. Oh, wait. I gotta reverse sort, man. 5. Yeah, that looks okay. That looks okay now. Oh, I should take out this C out. 13, 15. Should I send it? Is this gonna work? I'm not too sure. But I'll press the button. I guess that's it, man. It wasn't too crazy. What sort of projects do I got? Man, I got this Twitch channel that I work on a lot, man. Wait, is this the same problem now? I should just take my answer. Oh, but they want long. So I guess I should convert one of these to long. 13, 15. Should I send it? What an easy contest, man. If I had taken this one, I'd have done real good, probably. Give you a real answer? Man, what do you mean? That is my real answer. I put a lot of time and effort into this Twitch stream and this whole thing. So I do consider this like a real project. This contest was unrated, unfortunately. Redo links list one without cheating? Nah, man. I don't think that's cheating on a links list. Let me see what rank that would have gotten me. Even though it was unrated. The contest seems a bit too easy. Like that Q3, Q4 was also a little bit weird compared to the last one. $600. Maybe I'd have gotten a higher rank if I did it real life. Because we spent a good 10 minutes talking about Wingstop in this one. Man, I would have been a Guardian. Well, I guess it said it was unrated, so probably not. Alright, y'all ready for Elite Rooms? I guess so. Alright, here we go. Leet Rooms. We got 4 questions. Leet Rooms it's like a multiplayer LeetCode extension. I think most people know what's up. And I've created a room and people can join and we can see how everyone does. So first question. Well, let me see. We got minimum operations to make all array elements equal. We got merge intervals. We got course schedule. And we got water and jug problem. So Q1, minimum operations to make all array elements equal. You're given an array nums consisting of positive integers. You're also given an integer array queries of size m. For the ith query, you want to make all of the elements of nums equal to queries I. You can perform the following operations on the array any number of times. Increase or decrease an element of the array by 1. Return an array answer of size m where answer I is the minimum number of operations to make all elements of nums equal to queries I. Note that after each query, the array is reset to its original state. What? Okay. So they want, let me look at the constraints. Oh, that's a lot of numbers there. 3, 1. So in this one, we want to make everything to 1. That means, all right. That means the average, is that the average of the thing? We just take like the difference of this times that times n or something. Let's see, so that's 10, that's 18. So num's sum is 18. And 4 times that is 4. And then 18 minus 4 is 14. And then 20. Oh, wait. No, no, no. This one is all 5s. All right, let me think. How do you get this? Because clearly they have a lot of queries, so we can't just n squared it. So what can we do? What can we do here? So we have to do some type of pre-processing, and then we should be able to get the answer for the queries. Like, do we just look up the average? No, because this average is, it would be like 5 if it's, or, maybe I could do some, I don't know, man. Nobody's joining. Come on, guys. Leet rooms time. You all have to practice. Three, 1, 6, 8. And to make everything 5, that would be 2, 4, 1, 3. But man, they got 10 to the 5th numbers and 10 to the 5th queries, so it means what does it mean for me? So this sum will be 20. So how many moves do we need to get this whole thing? No, it's not just about that. Tardos and Klein went to Cornell. Fancy. Peter Bress? I don't know who that is. What the hell are y'all talking about, man? Tardos and Klein. Excuse me. Oh, shit. These are like crazy algorithm books. Still, what's happened? Hope I can join, but I'm not good enough yet. Man, neither am I, apparently. This one is tough. Man, that's a lot of queries. get, is it something to do with the median? What's the median? It's like, I don't even know. The middle. This one is not too sure what to do. 5. Do we binary search something? Guess maybe we can do a binary search also, like an n log n solution where these are all the numbers below. We can do like a binary search and prefix sums maybe. Let's see what that would look like. So if we binary searched on this, we'll get, I guess we do a lower bound, we'll get 6. Let me put some indices. So we get this 2 index, and then we can get 4, and then this should be 10, so that should be 10 minus 4. So for this side, it should be 6 moves or whatever. And this one, we get the 14, and it should be 10 here also, because we got that many elements. Yeah, I think this is how we're gonna do it, it seems. So prefix sums and binary search. All right, let me try to implement that. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort nums. And then what? And then I iterate over my queries. And I do a lower bound. And the target is gonna be the query. So it's gonna be X. So now this gives me an iterator, and then the first half is gonna be the size of the first half. It's gonna be the iterator minus nums.begin. The size of the second half is nums.end minus the iterator, perhaps. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, so now we have those. I also need the prefix sums, so let me create that real quick. So I start my prefix sums with 0. And I iterate over nums. Push that back to my prefix sums. So I got those prefix sums so we can calculate the size of the first half, or the how many, not the size, the value. And that's gonna be Wait, let me think here. So if this gives me 2, then maybe I can just use this to figure it out. And maybe put second half size there. No. Let me think. Maybe I have to add them both. No. Maybe it's the first half size plus 1. Or maybe it's just the first half size, man. Yeah. Because here we're going from this minus that, and then we want to go that minus that. Yeah. Do you think premium is worth it if you aren't looking for a job right away? I think it really depends on how much money you got, man. If you got 6 digits plus in the bank, I'd say just buy it, man. It's only $130 for a year. If you got like 4 digits in the bank, maybe it's not worth it. If you got 5 digits in the bank, you gotta make that decision on your own. Alright, so now I heard it goes on sale around the holidays. I think it goes on sale for Black Friday. Is this gonna overflow, man? Should I cast one? I don't even have a bank. Wait, what? Alright, so now it's the first target minus the first val. And the second target all right, let's see. That should be a long uh-oh. -14. Nah. That ain't right, man. I guess let me do a little bit of debugging. Oh lordy. 18 minus 4. Oh, I see. Wait, 0 minus 0. Hold up. Anyways, I think this should be -1. Oh, no. What the heck is going on here? +1? I think for sure I got an off by 1 somewhere. No. Alright, let me think. Let me think about that. This problem is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Not gonna lie. When's the next YouTube video? Man, I don't know. Coming soon. It's coming soon. -18. Alright, so this size is wrong, right? So it's looking for a 1, it finds this, and that is the beginning. So that size should be +1 here. And this size should be -1. -1 is 0, and 17 minus 3 is 14. But I have -14. How's that -14, man? And how's that 2? 15 minus 10? 3. No. I'm having a lot of difficulties here with my off by 1s. But I feel like I solved it logically. I just can't put it together. Would you ever do those Ask People Solve LeetCode in real life and get $100? I don't think so, man. I don't think that's in my future. I feel like this can be solved mathematically. Probably. Too shy? Yeah, I'm way too shy to be doing that. Alright. So, alright, maybe this should be a +1 there. And then this should be a -1. Oops. Let's see what that gives us. Uh-oh. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just struggling all day today. How come I can't do that, man? First half size is 1, so I should be able to do like a -1 there. Right? But then it gives me... It's out of range. Oh, maybe it's for like example 2. It's messing up. Because it's... Oh, look at that, man. How did that even work, though? I don't even know. I can't seem to get the dang thing right. So let me... Should I go back to the drawing board? How is that? Logic is correct, it's just the prefix sum implementation. Yeah, I have something funky here, man. I feel like I'm just too rusty. So I don't even know how this is. Oh, I have, wait. Second value, 17. Second, all right, let me look at my prefix sums. Target is 3. I don't even know how that's possible, man. Oh, snap. Prefix sums back. Minus. Let me just make sure my prefix sums are good here. What I expect it to be. Yeah, that's what I have written down. 014 da 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 da. Oh, snap. Wait. Let me see where this is ending up here. Should it be 10? It should be 10. 18 minus 10, man. That should give me 8 for the second val. But I want, okay, so maybe I want this one to be -1. Probably took me way, oh best, it's still taking me way too long. Like, I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. I feel like giving up, man. Finish all 4 in 15 minutes, man. I am not surprised. Everyone's good out here. Too easy. I mean, I think these other one, well, I don't know about the water and jug problem, but these two in the middle are easy. So in this one, it's like there's one element. It's just this one, and then there should be 3 elements for that query, right? And that looks good, but these numbers don't look good. And then in the other one, there should be 2 elements, man. So maybe so 0 elements, 4 elements, I think that's okay too. And then 2 elements, is that okay? Yeah, that looks okay too. And then now, oh, I see something. So the second part should be like that minus that. That's one bug I have for sure. And then maybe the first part, maybe this might just work, huh? Man, it was just a dumb bug. It wasn't even really an off by 1, man. I was assuming that the second side, that the target would be higher than the actual value, but it's supposed to be lower because the second half of the array means that these are the numbers that are all greater than the target. So I just had that confused. But let me see if it get AC'd. Spent way too long on that, man. I think I got the logic relatively fast, but it really took me a long time to implement. And that's not a good look. I would be so frustrated if that was a real contest and I did that in the contest. Rolo Fiend, welcome to the party. Can't wait for Advent of Code this year. Yeah, me too, but I don't know if I'll be available for the beginning of Advent of Code. I will be traveling to California. I'm not sure I'm following, but I think it should be an absolute difference. Yeah, I think an absolute difference sort of fixed everything. But I was just assuming that our target would always be greater than the value. But that's only true for the first half, where the first half are the numbers less than the query. And then the second half are the numbers greater than the query. So the second half, it should be flipped. But if I had just used absolute value, I think I'd have saved myself a lot of trouble. Meta Hacker Cup round 1 is starting October 5th. Not doing it this year after seeing the practice round though. Pixel Pusher. Are you looking for a job, man? Are you training LeetCode because you want to look for a job and maybe you'd like to work at one of these companies, or maybe you already work at one of these companies? Because I'd say if you are, you should probably do the Hacker Cup, because I have good experiences with taking those contests. That's how I got my job, man. I only solved one problem on the Google Kickstart, and a recruiter reached out to me, even though I only solved one problem. So even if you feel like it's above your level of expertise for that thing, you should still take it, man. It might put you on their radar. Because, oh, Overfit, thank you very much for the hydrate. Cheers. This problem is, here, I'll link it. Yeah, so just because you're not sure if you can solve all and rank really high, that shouldn't stop you. You should take the contest regardless, especially if you'd like to get hit up by a Meta recruiter. I'm not saying that Meta is going to hit you up, but I think that they probably do source some people from their Hacker Cup. Otherwise, like, why would they even host it? Just for prestige or something? It might be a good source for potential candidates, and maybe they just see anyone who participated and anyone who could solve at least one problem. Maybe they get like they get hit up by a recruiter, and then now you're in the pipeline. All right, should we move on to another problem? Merge intervals. I think, man, should I even do this? Orfit, do you use LLMs during your day-to-day? Sometimes, man. I definitely use them for things, but I don't use them for programming. I think at work we kind of have our own Copilot type of thing internally, so I'll use that a lot. I don't know if you can say that's an LLM, maybe under the hood or something. But sometimes if I have to write like an email, or like if I'm writing a design doc, maybe I'll feed it what I've written and I say make it sound fancy, and then I use that. But I don't depend on it too much. All right, merge intervals. Should we do it real quick? Or nah, I'm gonna do Q4 because I've already solved merge intervals and course schedule many times. Jake 1130 in the house. What's happening? Man, I was struggling big time on that Q1 there. Feels embarrassing, but let me see about this problem. I don't think I've ever solved water and jug. All right, let's read. Wait, before we read, let's see what Brett did for that problem that I had that off by 1 or that weird errors, you know. Dang, what the hell is this, man? Of course, Brett's gonna come in with some math. So n times 2 divided by 4? What does that even mean, Brett? Oh wait, n squared. N squared? What the hell? Hold on. Wait, am I looking at the right problem? Are we looking at the right problem, man? Did I link the wrong problem? Yeah, yeah, I think it did that. I was about to say, that looks a little weird because even the input parameters are different, Brett. Because this one just has n. So maybe that was why I was super confused. Yeah, I think you did a different problem for sure. Because it looks like it looks like I solved this problem too sometime. Yeah, the names are close. Alright, here's a link to the problem that I just did in Q1. That's a nice one-liner. Yeah, Python magic. Alright, water and jug problem. You're given 2 jugs with capacities X liters and Y liters. You have an infinite water supply. Return whether the total amount of water in both jugs may reach target using the following operations. Fill either jug completely with water. Completely empty either jug. Pour water from one jug into another until the receiving jug is full or the transferring jug is empty. Man, this sounds like that dang Die Hard scene where they give them the water thing and it's like the little puzzle with the water and you gotta fill the cups or something. You guys know what I'm talking about? I don't know. First example is the Die Hard one. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. The Die Hard thing. I gotta go watch that again. For Christmas, I'll go watch it. I don't even remember which Die Hard it was. But I think the villain's name was Simon in that one. Alright, so let's say x equal 3, y equal 5, and can we get 4 liters of water? Wait, in both water jugs. Simon is a villain name, especially if you add midnight? Nah, it is not a villain name. Mob boss? No, man. Midnight Simon sounds like a LeetCode nerd to me. Or somebody who used to take really cool pictures at midnight and later. Alright, how are we going to solve this dang problem? That's what we need to figure out right now. So 10 to the 3rd. That means it's like an n squared type of thing. Oh, look. They're talking about it right here. The Die Hard example. Should we watch it?
I trust you see the message. It has a proximity circuit, so please don't run.
Yeah, I got it. We're not gonna run.
How we turn this thing off?
On the fountain there should be 2 jugs. You see them? A 5-gallon and a 3-gallon. Fill one of the jugs with exactly 4 gallons of water and place it on the scale, and the timer will stop. You must be precise. 1 ounce or more or less will result in detonation. If you're still alive in 5 minutes, we'll speak.
Wait a second!
Yeah, this is the movie.
I don't get it. You get it?
No.
Get the jugs.
He doesn't get it. Wait, what?
Obviously, we can't fill the 3-gallon jug with 4 gallons of water, right?
Reaction stream? No.
All right, I know. There we go. We fill the 3-gallon jug exactly to the top, right? Okay, now, we pour that 3 gallons into the 5-gallon jug, giving us exactly 3 gallons in the 5-gallon jug, right?
Right. Then
Okay,
what?
now, take the 3-gallon jug, got exactly 2 gallons in here, right?
Right.
Leaving exactly 1 gallon of empty space, right?
Yeah.
A full 5 gallons here, right? You pour 1 gallon out of 5 gallons into there, we have exactly 4 gallons in there. Pour it in there, come on.
Oh man, you think Bruce Willis would be good at LeetCode?
Don't spill it.
His logic.
Good. Exactly 4 gallons.
You did it, McLean.
Put it on the thing, get it down there.
Wait, he has yeah, he would not be good right now, but maybe back in his heyday, you know. He's the founder of LeetCode. Man, who is the founder of LeetCode? All right, here we go. So we can fill either jug completely with water. Is this kind of like a take it or leave it? Completely empty. Let me think. Or we can pour. All right, let me try a DP kind of thing here. Winston Tang. Oh, did you just Google that? Oh, right there. Wikipedia, man. Winston Tang. Dang, 2015. It's been operating for 9 years. Nine years, man. This guy had a dream. And it came through. Alright, here we go. So, here's what I'm thinking. Jug 1, jug 2. And we cash on something. So, I'm gonna say jug 1. Alright, are these the capacities? X and Y? Yeah. I don't even think I need to do this, but I'm gonna just type it out anyways. Found his profile. You think he's a guardian? Let's see. Man, this guy sucks. Yo, he can't be the founder of LeetCode. He can't even solve 1 out of 4. It's embarrassing. How many views he got? Nah. He should actually take the contest, man. He shouldn't hide behind pretending like he's just testing out stuff, you know? Next day my account is bad, yeah. Sometimes I wonder if they are aware of my stream, man. I've been pushing their stuff for like almost 4 years now. And they even gave me LeetCoder of the Month. I got that title back in July 2022 or something like that. It was the highlight of my career, you know. Let me see if I can find it. What was it? I don't even know where it would be. General discussion, maybe. I forget what it was called, how they do it, man. It was like LeetCoder of the Month, or do they still do that? Oh yeah, man, they're giving out polo t-shirts now. Should I start doing that again? Posting my solutions? I don't know. What do you have to do to get LeetCoder of the Month? I think I got the most upvotes for solutions in that month. That was like when I was actively posting my solutions and having everyone here just upvote it. That worked. So, and then I stopped. So I posted like a couple months of those solutions. And I mean, I should probably still do it, man, but I get lazy. Anyways, back to the problem. Instead of joking around, we gotta do some dang LeetCode. So if do both have to wait, return whether all right. If jug1 equal target and jug2 equal target, return true. I think this problem 2 has a mathematical solution. Wait, Brett is cheating? What do you mean? Brett doesn't cheat, man. He might just be resubmitting. So we have these options. So fill either, man, that is too many. I actually don't think this might be DP. Does it matter who wins a Leet room? No, it doesn't. Don't worry about don't defense, Brett. Don't defense is hyper competitive. He just wants to win everything, including Type Racer. But good thing we got Pixel Pusher around. Well, I don't know, man. Pixel Pusher has been winning a little bit too much lately. Man, I didn't even write the last Type Racer champ on the board. I forgot. Anyways, so we fill one, or we fill the other. Yeah, maybe it might work. I'm gonna try it out. So if we fill jug one, oh, this is not even, this is like a bool, right? Either we fill jug one, we fill jug two. Completely empty either jug. Or we can pour one water from one jug to another until the receiving jug is full or the transferring jug is empty. Hit us. What's happening? People tend to get lazy. That's the problem. Thus, I love when you say back to the problem in a determined way. Though you meant LeetCode, not the real problem. Wait, what is the real problem? Yeah, I try not to get too distracted. Sometimes I think it's okay to get distracted. Otherwise, the stream just becomes too boring. And it's just like stuck on a problem. I think it's good to mix it up. But alright, so what does it mean to pour one jug into the other? Do we have to... How do I do that mathematically? So either we transfer jug 2 room would be like y minus jug 2, and then if we fill that, it's gonna be the minimum of jug 2 room or jug 1, right? So and that means it would be jug 1 minus that amount, or jug 2 plus that amount. I think that's what we gotta do, man. And then it would be like jug 1 room. So this is jug 2 to 1. Jug 2 to 1. And then jug all right, man. I think that's all we got. Maybe I can just say can do or equals everything, right? And then I have to cache it, but let's see if we can get the correct answer first. I'm not sure. Oh shit. I'm not sure if I can. DP00. Let's see, man. Nah. Come on, no. What is happening, man? What keyboard? Bubble 75 with Aqua Kings. Alright, so we're keep on going to 3-0 because it's like we fill. Alright, we keep filling. Oh. Maybe we gotta be like a bunch of if statements so we don't try and fill it too often. No, I don't know if this is the right way. I'm not 100% sure. We don't want to keep emptying, so if jug 1 greater than 0, we can empty it. I gotta hit up Bruce Willis for this one, man. And then this one, I guess we can be like, if jug 1 has water and jug 2 is less than whatever. And then this one, same thing, like if jug 2 has water and jug 1 has room. Let's see if that helps us out in any way. It's not looking good. Oh, now it goes back and forth. Alright, so clearly they don't want us to do this weird DP thing. Maybe we'd should I have BFS? I don't know. Oh, wait. I think I misread the problem because they're talking about the total amount of water in both jugs. So it's not like... Because that one, I can see why it would never work. Target is 4, but the max is 3 there. Alright, I give up, man. I give up. Well, 7 minutes left. I still give up. Tired of this problem, man. Should I look at somebody's solution? BFS would have worked. Yeah, I don't know how to implement the BFS though. So, all right, if I was to do BFS, I would either... Should I try and implement a BFS? I didn't really think about it too much. But I have maybe a queue of pairs, jug 1 and jug 2. And then we can empty either jug. Alright, I'll try it. I'm gonna erase everything. Why not? Shouldn't take that long, man, because I'm lazy. That's why. Should I use a pair? Q. How are we gonna do this? I guess we can start with just 0, 0 in our queue. And then, while there's something in our queue, wait, maybe we also have to keep track of some type of scene state. And since X and Y are both of a certain size, maybe I can just do it like this. So scene 0, 0 is true in this case. Should I give it a +1 for good luck? I think so, man. Alright, so now jug 1, jug 2, q dot front, q dot pop. That's the first node. And then now we can empty jug 1. Man, there's so much typing. How am I gonna... I shouldn't have erased all that other stuff I had earlier. Wait, maybe I can still get it. Nah. Jesus. Wait, maybe I can still get it. This is me at work, man. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. There we go. Alright, what do I want? I want some of this logic here. I think. Nah, am I overcomplicating things? Alright, so if scene 0 wait, if we haven't seen this setup, we should try it. Wait, first let me just say if jug 1 plus jug 2 equal target, then we can just return true. And then if we've not seen this state, then we should push it to our thing. And the same thing, if we haven't seen jug 1, 0, we should also push that. And then, so that's emptying it. Let's try and fill it now. So if not seen X, jug 2, we should push it. And if we haven't seen jug 1, Y, jug 1, Y. All right, now, here we go. Now we can fill this. That amount, and then this amount. And then again, so this one should be jug. Too much thinking for me. I'm gonna just copy this part. Does that look right? Jug 1 plus amount, yeah. And jug 2 minus amount. Alright, man. I'm gonna run it. Well, first, let me delete this bunk ass DP thing. Oh, we gotta return false here. Jesus. Rocky88. What's happening? What's the most complex dynamic tabulation programming problem you've done? I don't know. Uh-oh. Memory limit exceeded. Oh, I don't mark anything as seen. Come on now. There must be an easier way to code this up, man, because I feel this is a whole lot of typing. I didn't even set that to true. Alright, what's next? I gotta set that to true. Alright, let's see. If you don't like typing, use Python. Man, maybe I should. Have you done some hard ones? Alright, that was... I think I got the logic, but that's just a lot to type, man. But man, my solution is whack, apparently. Let me see how some other people did it. Like Brett and Don't Defense. Oh man, Don't Defense using templates for a dang Leet rooms? Come on now. Okay. So your code is also very long. Jesus. You know, this guy is hyper competitive, I'm telling y'all. He's using templates on a problem you don't even need a template for. Copy and pasted most of it? Wait, what? Copy and pasted? let's see what Brett did. Oh, snap. Scene queue. Oh, snap. Python is... Oh, Brett's smart. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and modular or whatever, like scalable programming this is. You got scrubs like me and Don't Defense doing some, I don't know what this is, but I thought mine was bad. Yeah, mine is just as bad as Don't Defense is. You like enumerate every single case, you know. We're not big brain. I mean, Don't Defense is a lot bigger brain than I am. That's for sure. But wait, you can see that nx equal new value and then 4 lines copy and pasted. Yeah, I see, I guess. So we can all learn a little something from checking out Brett's solutions. I don't even know why I didn't think about that, man. I should have just... It would have been so much easier than typing out all this junk all the time. Not only long, but also quite repetitive, yeah. So anytime you have a lot of repetition like this, maybe you should probably think about how to structure it in a way that is scalable. Have you ever tried Project Euler? It's sort of like LeetCode, but it's more centered around number theory and math in general. I've heard of Project Euler, but I've never done Project Euler. Alright, it's 11:30. What should we do? If you think about how to structure it, you only get 2500 rating. Fastest wins, not cleanest. Yeah, Don't Defense. I think I'm usually on that type of mentality. Like, I don't have time to divert my processing power to like writing clean code. So my contest code is always looking like mega jank. And it's always like one crazy long function. But sometimes I feel it comes back to haunt me when there's a bug in my code. And it's like, now my code is so much spaghetti. It's really hard to figure out what's going on. And maybe if I had structured it nicely, it would have been a lot easier to debug. But I suppose, yeah, copy and pasting is my first instinct, but I've been burnt by that so many times because sometimes I'll copy and paste something and then I'll change like one variable, you know, and then I'll have that bug for, I'll be searching for that bug for like 10 minutes. Maybe I'll even have a couple wrong submissions because I was too lazy on copy and pasting. Are you saying it's not even midnight and Simon is shutting out code like bombs? What are you talking about, man? Anyways, on to something else. Should we do one more room? I'll do one more room. 30 minutes only. 2 easies, 2 mediums, 30 minutes. And this time I'm gonna race to try and finish before the 30 minutes ends. Y'all ready? Or should I do 0 track? Nah, let's do one more Leet rooms. While I think whilst Leet rooms is still working, we should take advantage of it. Alright, here's the new Leet rooms. Because you never know when Leet rooms is gonna go down again, man. And we'll be without it. Chi-Chi Impact is in the house. What's happening, Chi-Chi Impact? Check this out, man. A new all-time high, man. Almost a Guardian. So I think I just gotta take the next few contests and see where that takes me. Man, once I get Guardian, I might retire. from LeetCode. What rating is Guardian? I think it's around, it's less than 2200. Maybe around 2150 to 2180. I'm not too sure. But yeah, once I get my Guardian badge, I'm not taking any more contests, man. I might switch to my alternate accounts, which I haven't taken a contest on in a long time. So I might try and get 2 Guardian accounts. I feel once I can get 2 Guardian accounts, that means I'm a real Guardian, you know? And it wasn't a fluke. Hopefully. It's like you win one championship and then you win it again. That's not a fluke, right? That's like your real deal. Although this one is not too far away from Guardian, I suppose. Oh, new Leet rooms. Here we go. Man, y'all already finished. Zombie killer whale is in the house. What's happened, zombie? Sum multiples. Given a positive integer n, find the sum of all targets in the range 1 to n inclusive that are divisible by 3, 5, or 7. Return an integer denoting the sum of all numbers in the given range satisfying the constraint. So I guess we can just I equal 1, I less than equal to n. And then they want us to say any number that is divisible by those things. So I mod 3 copy and paste, you say. All right, here we go. Is that gonna be correct? For sure. Easy work. What's the next one? Maximum number of pairs in array. Oh, Rafa J from YouTube. Any love for the YouTube live viewers? Much love to all you YouTube live viewers out there, man. Welcome to the party, Rafa J. Rafa J chillin'. Leet rooms in Rosis, get in here. Just a little love, yeah. Like periodic love. Alright, maximum number of pairs in array. You are given a 0 index integer array nums. In one operation, you can do the following. Choose 2 integers in nums that are equal. Remove both integers from nums, forming a pair. The operation is done on nums as many times as possible. Return a 0 index array answer of size 2, where answer 0 is the number of pairs that are formed and answer 1 is the number of leftover integers in nums. I guess I'm just gonna make a frequency map and increment that, and then I'll iterate over my map, and then I'll be like, wait, pairs left over. So I'm like, if the count mod 2 equals 0, then the pairs is that. Otherwise, well, I don't even know if I need that if statement. Maybe I can just say pairs plus that leftovers plus equal to count mod 2. All right. Uh-oh. Left over. So say 3110. Oh lordy. Paris? Come on now. Man, in a contest, if you have typos like that, you burn like 20 seconds because you can't run the code. Typos are big, you know. Need a better IDE? What do you mean? This is the best IDE, is the LeetCode IDE. Alright, easy's out the way, man. What's next? Number of wonderful substrings. A wonderful string is a string where at most one letter appears an odd number of times. For example, CCJJC and ABAB are wonderful. But AB is not. Given a string word that consists of the first 10 lowercase English letters A through J, return the number of wonderful non-empty substrings in Word. If the same substring appears multiple times in Word, then count each occurrence separately. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters in a string. I never code in the LeetCode editor. I make a C++ file in my own IDE with assert tests and then just copy the class back into LeetCode. Man, that's a little bit too hardcore for me, man. I don't even know how to use an IDE properly. I don't even know what's out there these days, man. I tried messing with VS Code the other day and I felt lost. Even though I use it at work a little bit. But I just forgot how to do everything. Save all my solutions so it's better if I have to set it, if I have it set up that way. C Lion is great if you can afford it, but VS Code is decent. C Lion. VS Code is really cool if you integrate Copilot with it. Yeah, I haven't integrated anything. I don't even know how to set up my linter in VS Code, man. Anytime I do my auto formatting for C++, the dang thing puts it puts my open parentheses on the next line, and it annoys me so much, man. I should just fix that. But I don't know. I guess I could just Google it. You should try out Zed. Are all these like paid IDEs? Alright, let me think about this problem, man. So, how many substrings? I can have at most one. So, A is good. Is this a sliding window? I don't know. Zed is open source free, budget VS Code implemented in Rust. Wait, if it's, why would you use VS Code then? Why do you use Zed over VS Code if they're both free? And if Zed is a budget VS Code? Is it because it's open source? I swear during contests it feels like spamming run code increases the delay to run again. I think it does, man. Algo Bro is in the house. What's happening, man? It's been far too long since I've paid respects. Oh, thank you for stopping by, Algo Bro. If y'all don't know who Algo Bro is, go check out the stream. Algo Bro streams a lot of Java and quant stuff. I don't know, man. Like trading stuff. Yeah. I don't remember the difference, but Zed supposedly is on the come up. I see. The thing I don't like about Zed is that each language extension is managed by other people versus VS Code, which Microsoft makes all the language extensions. Interesting. VS Code always feels like it's okay and could be better if I had a PhD in configuring it. Java? Yeah, I don't really know Java, to be honest. Man. I don't know how to solve this problem either. So ABA. 10 to the 5th. So we need like a NON or N log N solution here. I feel it has to be something with a sliding window, but maybe not, man. Maybe it is something else. Mahid Har Rao from YouTube. What's happening, man? Welcome to the party. We're doing elite rooms right now. There's a few people in here killing it. Except me, man. I can't even solve Q3. So we can't have two odd things. Man, have I solved this before? I'm not sure. I wonder if it's like... we need some type of parity thing. I remember we did one problem a few weeks ago. Brett helps me out. Where it's like the number of everything is even in a subarray. I wonder if it's a similar technique where we try and remember the counts of everything. No, that sounds too complicated. Man, 67%. How the hell do you do this? A, B. I feel like this is some type of prefix sum technique to find the substrings. Man, I got 15 minutes left before I gotta go. And then A through J, is that kind of like a hint in itself? It's only 10 characters. People always assume I do algos. I tell them no, I'm only an algo trader. I'm like a mini algo bro. Chi Impact is the real algo bro, I'd say. He is algorithms. I'm trying to be algorithms, you know? Alright, this one I don't know. Let me look at the next one. Oh, another one I've attempted. Longest well-performing interval. Oh, I tried this a year ago, man. You think I've gotten any better where I can probably solve it? Let's see. Oh man, if Zombie can't solve it, I can't solve it. Who was the one that completed every single LeetCode problem? They're the real one. That's Bet Simp. But I think Chi Impact is probably really close to that, man. Alright, we're given hours, a list of number of hours worked per day for a given employee. A day is considered to be a tiring day if and only if the number of hours worked is strictly greater than 8. A well-performing interval is an interval of days for which the number of tiring days is strictly larger than the number of non-tiring days. Return the length of the longest well-performing interval. Beanbag 59, what's happening? How do you think like a programmer? Man, I don't know. I don't know what you mean. So the longest well-performing interval is 996. Is that like a little joke to them? Alright, so maybe this is like should we binary search, man? Or should we every time it's over 8 it's a 1. If it's under 8 it's a -1 or something, or -1 if it's over 8 and less than equal to 8 is a 1, and then nah, that can't be it, man. Let me see. That's probably what I tried last time and it didn't work. So if x is greater than 8, and then we just want, wait, how is this? A well-performing interval is an interval of days for which the number of tiring days is strictly larger than non-tiring days. So maybe I'll do it like that. And then we just want an interval where the sum is positive. How do we find that, man? How do you find? Is it like a sliding window where we keep? No. Is it like a Cadane's algorithm where no. I'll give us alright, we're at 0, so while we're greater than 0 we should grow. I'm gonna try a sliding window. I need to redo my sliding window, man. I keep doing this while loop thing, which is terrible. It's almost time for me to go though. So while cur minus equal left. And then I guess we try and find the longest interval here. This seems too easy for it to be right. I think this is not right, but I'll try it anyways. Yeah, I thought so, man. I thought this was not gonna work. So we got -1. Man, this should be... This should be alright, man. Where did I go wrong? This probably reeks of binary search or bullshit. Yeah, maybe it might be a binary search. You're right. So we just see... Yeah. Just binary search it on this sliding or on this thing, whatever. But I feel this is my left, my right. So this should be -1, -1, and 1. And my cur 0. So we process this node, cur is -1. While it's less than 0, we drop that, so now cur is back at 0. Then we process this node, cur is -1. And then while it's this, we should hit that like that, so it's now back at 0. And then now we process that, so cur is 1, so this shouldn't do anything, and then this should be a 1, man, so I don't know why we get 0 right there. I should have used that test case. Oh, snap. The heck? What the hell did I do, man? Push back 1. So R is 1. Oh, wait. Oh, I see, I see. I think I see, but still ain't right, man. Yeah. Oh, Bess, I think you're right, man. This is a binary search problem. Should I try and implement that real quick and then go to bed? I don't even know if I'll go to bed. I'm sick. I've been sleeping all day. Kind of. I took like a 2-hour nap. Yesterday I slept for like from 8 p.m. to about 8 a.m., man. 12 hours. Alright, let's try and binary search this junk. Jeez. Yeah, because I'm sick. They say when you're sick, you should just stay hydrated and get some rest. Wait, so my midpoint is that, and then I need a is good or something. So then I guess this should be a boolean. So if that's good, then we should try a bigger size. So then wait, how do you try a bigger size? Left equals mid plus 1. And if it's not good, we try a smaller size. But we should also keep track of the best size. Alright, so how do we know if something is good? I guess now we can do like a sliding window. So and then if r minus l is greater than the guess, that means we're bigger than the window that we're guessing. We're guessing like the size of the answer. And if now we have more things than in the size, then we gotta like shrink it. And then now we just check like if r minus l is equal to the guess, that means we found the correct window. Otherwise, it's not possible. Jesus, what the heck? Oh man. But it has to be consecutive. So how do we deal with that, man? It's like I don't know. Oh shit. I don't know what to do, man. I couldn't solve this problem a year ago. I still can't solve it a year later. Looks like my time is up. Sliding window of size mid. Yeah, that's what I'm trying. That's what I'm trying. But it doesn't work for some cases. Maybe I'll just check out some solutions here. I couldn't solve any of those dang mediums. Excuse me. Jesus. Yeah, what the hell is this? Yeah, oh best, that's what I'm saying, man. What the hell is this? Anyways, I gotta go. Is this like a two-sum kind of thing or prefix sum? I don't know what that. I don't even know what I'm reading, to be honest. All right, no condom. Chris wants to do one type racer. Let's do type racer and then I'm out of here, man. Here we go. Who's here to do a little type racing? Should we bet? Nobody's here to do type racing, so it's just gonna be me and no condom Chris. All right, place your bets. Pixel Pusher always here, guarantee. Yeah, I guess so. We gotta get this over with quick because I gotta go blow my nose and just take some NyQuil. Alright, there it is. Anybody who wants to do type racer, I've just linked in the chats. I'm about to link it in my Discord also. King of Sofas, what's happening? Alright, if you're not logged in, you gotta log in. First race is the warm-up round, second race is the championship. And the bet is, so we got this bet going on. The bet is who's gonna win, me or no condom Chris? Von Teacher thinks I'm gonna win. No condom Chris thinks he's gonna win. Bobby Blue thinks no condom Chris is gonna win. Here is the warm-up round. Can I get on the board for winning 2 Leet rooms? No, I don't put people on the board for Leet rooms. You gotta get that type racer. Man, is that Pixel Pusher as a guest? Or is that somebody else who's really fast? Pat's Hello World still hanging out with the triple digits, man. Yeah, Pixel Pusher doesn't warm up. Thank you very much for that hydrate, King of Sofas. Alright, that was terrible. No condom Chris would absolutely destroy me there. Here we go. This is the championship round, man. This is where I gotta get within 15 WPMs of no condom Chris, aka Six Pack Sexy. Jesus Christ, that is really hard. Here we go, here we go. It's about to begin. That was too hard, man. Oh, look at that. 88, 102. Do I have to do some math? Easy work. Looks like I won. So no condom Chris with the 102, I with the 88, but I had a 15 WPM handicap, so that means I have won. Can we please ban Pixel Pusher? I don't know, man. So Pixel Pusher won that with a 156. Let me choose this outcome. Easy money. And then, wait, 156 on the board. Oh man. It has been HD. Thank you very much for that sub. I really appreciate that. And I forgot to put the first Type Racer champ, but I'll do it sometime. What was that one? I forgot. 156. Did I say? Maybe we gotta. The only way is to like get death mode. I will trade being banned from Type Racer for a don't defense Leet rooms ban. No. Man, you guys getting crazy. So it has been HD. Thank you so much. I'm about to put your name on the board too. And I really need to go blow my nose, man. Thank you so much. It has been. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go raid somebody. Oh, Chi-Chi Impact is on. Brent Arata is also on. We always raid Chi-Chi. Should we go hit Brent?
Not to name names.
Yeah, let's go hit Brent, man. Chi-Chi, he won the Leroy's, man. Chi-Chi gets raided like every time I stream. I don't get to raid Brent Arata that often, so I'm going to take the opportunity to do it. Alright, man. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. I think I struggled a lot with the problems. Wasn't a very good training session for me, but maybe I'm going to blame it on because I'm sick. Dung Spreen. Just joined. What's happening, man? Guardian this week? Man, I don't know about that. I guess if I get 2 really great finishes in the bi-weekly and the weekly, I could potentially get Guardian. That's going to be tough. No Condom Chris, Zombie Killer Whale, have a good night. Thank you very much for tuning in. Wraith Kaiser, see you later. Dung Spreen, see you next time, man. Don't defense, it has been. Thank you so much for that sub. Obes, Pixel Pusher, have a good night. See y'all next time. See you this weekend for the contest. We got a double header this weekend. Alua, adios amigo. Thank you for tuning in. Wise Sane, see you later, alligator. Obes, I don't know if I said bye, but bye again, man. And Jack Crozer, see you later. King of Sofas, adios. And everybody else, Beanbag 59, Land of the Leet, Algo Bro, Icy Black Deep, Brett, everybody, YouTube. Have a good night, Rafa J. Chillin'. See you later.